It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Carbon Pro Edition. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the truck. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got the programmable memory seat, child locks, and the Auto Express windows. This truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. It's also got the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Specific to the AT4 package, we have the Kalahari inserts in the seats. We also have the AT4 badging in the headrests. Power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. We've also got the heads-up display button and the information tab. Next, I'll climb right in. We'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on the right side, we've got the audio buttons. I should also mention the steering wheel is heated. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, the power sunroof buttons, the rear window slider button, and OnStar. Below that, we've got the rear view mirror camera. We can change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the mirror. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. And we've got various camera views. We can change that view by pushing the buttons located on the bottom of the screen. Below that, we've got the push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, tailgate release, traction control, and hill descent control. We've got the trailer brake and some USB and power plug-ins. Below that, we've got the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Inside the center console, it's quite deep and spacious. We've got a light in there and some USB and power plug-ins. At the front of the truck, we've got the Unique Carbon Pro grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera. We've got red tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch all-season tires, IntelliBeam headlamps, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. The rear windows are tinted. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. AT4 badging down the side, running boards down below. As we make our way to the back, we've got the rear window slider. We also have the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Dual exhaust. We've got the easy lift and lower tailgate, so we can drop that down with a push of a button. The box of the truck is the Carbon Pro box. We've also got the Multi-Pro tailgate step, so we can drop this tailgate step down by pushing two additional buttons. The tailgate step holds up to 500 pounds. In the box of the truck, we've got some cargo hooks and a power plug-in. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this Carbon Pro Edition truck. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the heated rear seats, some USB and power plug-ins. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. Those Kalahari inserts carry through into the back of the truck. And we also have some behind the seat storage located behind either of those rear seats, as well as some under seat storage by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Carbon Pro Edition today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.